If you clicked on this video, then you probably are looking for the best term insurance plans in 2025. And guess what? You've landed in the right place. In this video, we'll be doing an in-depth analysis of HDFC Life's two newest term plans in the market, Click to Protect Elite Plus and Click to Protect Ultimate. Now, you might be wondering, how do these compare to HDFC Life's bestseller, Click to Protect Super? Are they worth considering, or is it just another marketing hype? Well, we're going to break it down all for you. Hello folks, I'm Shashank and you're watching Ditto Insurance, your go-to destination for unbiased and jargon-free insights on term and health insurance. Our mission is simple: to help you make informed financial decisions with zero confusion or hidden terms. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed about which term insurance to pick, don't worry. Within just 2 minutes, you can book a free call with Ditto's experts. No hassle, no stress, just clear, unbiased advice to help you find the best plan for your needs. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Alright, let's now dive in and take a look at both of these plans that we have lined up for today. First up is HDFC Click to Protect Elite Plus, which is a revamped version of Click to Protect Elite. So, HDFC Life's C2P Elite Plus is essentially an upgraded version of their previous C2P Elite plan. The older version didn't gain much traction, mostly because of its restrictions. But now, with some key improvements, Elite Plus is trying to strike a balance between affordability and useful benefits. Now, if you're wondering whether this plan is meant for you, here's a simple checklist. Are you looking for a cheaper HDFC term insurance option but still want a solid base plan? Are you okay with skipping the terminal illness cover and life stage benefits, which by the way is available in C2P Super, in exchange for perks like premium break and immediate payout on claim intimation? Are you earning at least 10 lakh LPA, aged between 18 to 45 and looking for coverage between 2 and 5 crores? If you answered yes to most of these questions, then this plan might be worth looking at. Now let's talk about who can apply and some possible limitations. You need to be between 18 to 45 years. Unlike most plans that let you enter till 60-65 years, this one is a bit stricter. You can buy coverage for up to 40 years, but the maximum age at maturity is 85 years. So no option for whole life coverage here. This plan is open to both salaried and self-employed individuals, but you need to be making at least 10 lakh LPA annually. The minimum coverage starts at 2 crores and goes all the way up to 5 crore rupees. Here you have the flexibility with regular pay, 5 pay, 10 pay and 15 pay. Alright, let's look at some key inbuilt features that set this plan apart. First up is the premium break benefit. This is an interesting one because after completing 5 policy years, you can choose to take a 12-month break from paying premiums while still being covered. You can do this multiple times, but there needs to be a 5-year gap between each break. The catch? You can't use this benefit in the last 5 years of your policy. But do note that you've only deferred the payment of these premiums. They will still have to be paid in the next year along with that year's premiums. The benefit is that there is no worry of policy lapsation or late fees. Next benefit is the immediate payout on claim intimation. Now, this is a great feature. If the policyholder passes away, 5 lakh rupees will be paid to the nominee within 1 working day, subject to relevant document submission. However, the remaining sum assured will follow the usual claim settlement process. Third benefit is the smart exit benefit, also known as zero cost option. Want to walk away from the policy after 25 years? Well, you can surrender it and get back all the premiums you've paid, but there's one condition. You need to have taken the policy for at least 31 years and it doesn't apply if you've opted for return of premium option. Let's talk about riders because having the right riders can make a world of difference. First up is the critical illness rider. It covers 60 critical illnesses for a maximum duration of 15 years. Second is the waiver of premium. This is a must-have. If you're diagnosed with critical illness or disability, you won't have to pay any further premiums, but your coverage, it still gets continued. Third, it's the accidental income benefit. If an accident leads to total or permanent disability, you'll receive 1% of the rider sum assured per month for 10 years. So if you choose a 1 crore rider, you get 1 lakh rupees for a month for the next 120 months. Now that's a solid income replacement. Well folks, no plan is golden and perfect. So what's missing in this? There is no terminal illness rider. This means if this is something you need, you're better off with C2P Super. Also, there is no life stage benefit option, meaning you can't increase your coverage when major life events like marriage or childbirth happen. Also, there are no housewife cover, no joint life cover or decreasing cover options. But on the brighter side, HDFC has always rolled out some solid discounts. A 7% discount if you're salaried, a high sum assured discount that is 7% off for regular pay and 10% off for limited pay. But both these apply only to first year premiums. What is Ditto's recommendation? If you're between 18 to 45 years old, earning 10 LPA plus and looking for 2 to 5 crore cover, this plan is definitely worth considering. The pricing is lower than C2P Super, even without the discounts, and the premium break and smart exit benefits make it attractive. However, we are still waiting for clarity on the availability of waiver of premium rider before giving it a full thumbs up. Before we head to discuss the next plan, folks, let me remind you that researching and understanding a term insurance policy document or even a brochure can take anywhere between 20 to 30 hours. Let Ditto help you save that time and effort and guide you through the whole process. All you have to do is book a free consultation with our advisors with the link mentioned in the description. And in just 30 minutes, our IRDAI certified advisors will help you choose the best policy. Let's move on to HDFC Click to Protect Ultimate, which is the next plan. At first glance, it seems to offer a big promise. 100% claim guarantee. Well, sounds great, right? But here's the catch. IRDAI already mandates that claims must be settled post 3 years of holding a policy. So this guarantee isn't as groundbreaking as it sounds. Let's break it down for you. First, let's see if you're eligible for this plan. Entry age 18 to 50 years. Policy term maximum 40 years with coverage until 85 years. Education qualification, only graduates and above are eligible. Income requirement, minimum 10 lakh LPA annual salary, but unlike Elite Plus, this plan is only available to salaried individuals. It has a geographical restriction that is only residents of Tier 1 cities, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, etc. can get this plan. Sum assured ranges from 1 crore to 3 crores. Now let's take a look at the inbuilt features of C2P Ultimate. First, the smart exit benefit. This is just like in the Elite Plus but limited to long-term policies. That is, the minimum tenure is 31 years. Second is terminal illness benefit with up to 2 crore coverage with a 6-month waiting period. Third, claim guarantee. This is important, so hear me out. What does 100% claim guarantee mean? HDFC Life claims that with this plan, all valid claims will be honored without any rejections. This is meant to provide policyholders with assurance that their loved ones will receive the payout without any hassle. But here's the thing. The Insurance Act of 1938 under Section 45 already ensures that once a policy has completed 3 years, the insurer cannot reject a claim due to misrepresentation or non-disclosure, except in case of clear fraud, where the burden of proving the fraud lies on the insurer. So the claim guarantee doesn't really provide any extra protection beyond what IRDAI regulations already mandate. But despite the 100% claim guarantee, there are still situations where a claim can be denied. Let's go through them. Suicide is not covered in the first year. This is a standard exclusion across most term plans. Death due to substance abuse. If the policyholder dies due to alcohol or drug overdose, the claim will be rejected. If the nominee is involved in the death of the policyholder, if there is any criminal involvement from the nominee, the insurer will not pay out the sum assured to that nominee. If the policyholder was engaged in criminal activity at the time of death, so this means that death occurring during participation in any illegal activities like robbery, violence or terrorism, etc. will not be covered. This policy also comes with some strict conditions that could affect claim approval. First up is non-disclosure of serious illnesses like cancer or autoimmune diseases. So if a policyholder does not disclose these conditions at the time of purchase, the claim will not be paid. Unlike other plans where premium loadings that are higher premiums for health risks are applied, C2P Ultimate follows an accept or reject approach. The policyholder will need to undergo comprehensive tests including treadmill tests, USG whole abdomen scan, chest X-ray, and additional diagnostic tests if required. If any serious health conditions are detected, the application will not be accepted at all, rather than offering coverage with a higher premium. Is this claim guarantee really a game changer? Well, not really. Here's a summary why. Most term insurance plans already settle valid claims within a reasonable time, so this feature doesn't add much extra security. Plus, the extensive medical tests make it harder for many applicants to even get approved, meaning fewer people can actually benefit from this guarantee. Finally, what's missing in C2P Ultimate? 1. There is no critical illness benefit. This is a crucial omission. 2. No waiver of premium. If you become disabled or critically ill, you will still have to keep paying if you want to be covered. 3. No accidental disability riders. This is a serious gap for comprehensive coverage. Finally, what is Ditto's take on Click to Protect Ultimate? Honestly, we do not recommend this plan. And the reason? The claim guarantee sounds fancy, but that does not add much value beyond what's already required by RDI regulations. Plus, premiums are 10 to 15% higher than C2P Super, making it expensive expensive without real benefits. If you want better coverage, Elite Plus or Super is a much better bet. Finally, before we end the video, let's take a look at the premiums. Scenario 1. For a 25-year-old male, 2 crore coverage, non-smoker and choosing regular pay. If you take a policy till the age of 60, Elite Plus will cost you 15,825 rupees in the first year, increasing to 18,400 rupees from the second year onwards. The same plan under Ultimate will cost a whopping 23,300 rupees in the first year, rising to 24,500 from the second year. That's a 7,500 rupees extra per year for Ultimate compared to Elite Plus. And if you decide to extend the policy till 65 or 70, the trend remains the same. Elite Plus is significantly cheaper, with Ultimate costing about 6,500 to 7,500 more per year. Scenario 2. For a 30-year-old female, 2 crore cover, non-smoker, regular pay. A 30-year-old female opting for the coverage till 60 would pay 16,800 rupees in the first year and 19,400 from the second year under Elite Plus. In contrast, Ultimate costs 23,000 rupees in the first year, increasing to 25,000 rupees from the second year. Now, that's a 6,000 to 7,000 rupees solid difference per year. For longer policy terms up until 65 or 70 years, the difference widens, with Elite Plus remaining cheaper by at least, again, 6,500 rupees to 7,500 rupees annually. Alright folks, so we've broken down HDFC Life's new term insurance plans. Click to Protect Elite Plus and Click to Protect Ultimate in detail. We've compared their features, benefits, exclusions, and most importantly, the premiums. What does Ditto recommend? Click to Protect Elite Plus is a solid plan. It offers good value, lower premiums, and smart features like premium break and smart exit, making it a strong contender if you're looking for an affordable yet effective term insurance option from HDFC Life. Click to Protect Ultimate, on the other hand, comes with a higher price tag but does not justify the extra cost. The so-called 100% claim guarantee is more of a marketing play rather than a real game changer. Plus, it lacks important riders, has stricter eligibility criteria, and is only available in limited locations, making it an impractical choice for most people. If you're looking for the best term insurance plan from HDFC Life, Elite Plus is worth considering. But if you want the most flexibility, most coverage, and better features, Click to Protect Super still remains our top recommendation. Are you still confused? Don't worry. In just 2 minutes, you can book a free call with Ditto's insurance experts. No pushy sales, no hidden terms, just honest and unbiased advice to help you pick the best term plan for your needs. The link is in the description. That's it for today, folks. If you found the video helpful, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.